take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca. Just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh, I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way.
Just finished cleaning. You like it? You think it's better than the orange, or you like the orange better? Better than the orange? Yeah. Come look, it has pearl in it. Let's see, what color? Like over here, come look in the light. You see the pearl?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
I like it.
It looks really good, huh? I made a mistake over here. Can you see it?
The drippy?
Yeah. I'm trying to see if there's any other mistakes. There's a very small one right here too. There's one more right here. The back bumper though doesn't look like it has any.
Oh, special delivery. Look at this guy. Oh. That's the VLSD? It's supposed to be a LSD. This is the VLSD, but let's try it on the ground. I got it out pretty quick, like half an hour, 45 minutes. What size is that? 12s.
What, I was surprised Beatty time to start working on his car.
Yeah, I just stopped by Manteca. I guess he bought tires too.
Oh, I just ordered my tires too. Puma was gonna send, but they said not gonna be here for a couple weeks. So, yeah, it's VLSD. So we gotta just weld and then weld this, I think. Okay guys, so we're gonna be welding up Bradley's diff because he needs a welded diff. So everything is gonna be a lot more I guess, predictable when he goes in clutch kicks and stuff like that. The VLSD is really good, except for the fact that sometimes it'll lock and sometimes it won't. So we could go like a two-way and get like an actual diff, but welding the diff is probably going to be way cheaper, and we're just on a budget. So this is probably the best thing that we're going to do. We run welded diffs in all the cars anyway, so we're going to go ahead and weld this up. This is going to be my first time welding a VLSD, so pretty much we have to weld in these slots here rather than in the like an open diff. There's like a square with all the gears. Here there's a bunch of these peepholes that you have to get in there and weld. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. First we gotta dump the oil out, clean it all up with the brake cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it up with the torch so that way we get good penetration, and we'll get the welder out. Okay, ready? Oh yeah, this bugger is heavier. Heavier than I remember. How am I gonna do this? Look at this. We're using a microphone now, so you guys are gonna be able to hear me struggling to hold this up with my Brett. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. I did spray a little bit of brake cleaner just to make sure the gears are nice and dry. So now I'm gonna grab the torch and I'm gonna go ahead and heat this thing up as hot as I can get it, only because I don't use like a really good welder. So the hotter that I can get this, the better the penetration is gonna be. One thing I learned though, the hard way, is that after you spray brake cleaner, you wanna make sure that it airs out a little bit, because there's gases and vapors that are stuck in the casing. And as soon as I hit that torch, it's gonna go boom. So I'm gonna let this air out just a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab the torch. Or you could just stand back and hit it. Let's see if it... So how smart that was? Starve it of oil, of oxygen. Oh, you know what it is? I mean, it's also the oil, but it's the brake cleaner.
Oh.
Just making sure it can still spin. Don't look at it, but so far it's going well.
It's good?
Yeah, it's almost spot on. I don't know, it's the first time I'm doing a VLSD, so hopefully it's good. Yeah, we're gonna finish up this last hole, and then we're about to go eat dinner. Probably have some In-N-Out tonight, so let's go ahead and finish this up. It's almost pow, or almost done. You don't want to show it. It's gross. Dinner time. Jesus, where's food?
Amen.
Amen. So this is your guys' prize. Is this yours?
Not yours.
All right, guys. So we just got back home from dinner. In-N-Out was pretty bomb. We're gonna go ahead and I guess close this back up. We're not gonna seal it because Bradley's gonna take it home and clean it all out. But I mean, the diff is still pretty warm, but you guys can see it's nice and welded. Like I said, this is my first time welding a VLSD, and it's kind of hard to get the welder in this little hole, so I did what I could. The gears are welded all in there. It doesn't need to be filled up. It's just like a regular open diff where you just weld the gears together. So the gears are all welded up, all four corners and to the casing, so it should be pretty strong. We're gonna go ahead and close this up. Like I said, probably gonna take it home, clean it up, slap it in the car, and we're about to go drifting in a couple weeks, so hope you guys are excited for that. Me, Bradley, and Bailey, who owns my old Z, are all going to be at this event together. First time in, it has been at least over a year now. We're super stoked to be driving together. We finally made time to come together and drift, so we're super stoked about that. If you guys want to get into drifting, let me know, man. I can make a video on all the things that you guys need to start, or like what we did to get into drifting, because I know that when I was trying to get into drifting, you know, like I knew I wanted to drift, I just didn't know how. So if you guys need like a little video about what we did to start drifting and like how to get into it, let me know if that's something you guys be interested, because we can make a video just like that for you guys until you guys are experienced. And one thing I do have to say though is that it feels super intimidating in the beginning when you don't know anybody and you don't know how to drift, but the community in the drift scene is so supportive and so welcoming. Okay. All right, guys, so Bradley's gonna go ahead and take this right now. We're gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys want to go ahead and support what we got here going on at Car Shop Bloom, head over to carshopbloom.com, pick up some merch, pick up some stickers. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have the 25% or the $25 tees shipped still live on the website, so go ahead and pick them up if they're not already sold out. I know we got a few sizes left, so thank you guys so much for your support. Everything that you guys spend on the store goes right back into the channel to help us create more content for you guys. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay good.